Alright, Joe, welcome back. Sitting in here by a parking lot by myself. The whole crew couldn't figure out where the we wanted to fly today, so I just played Joey asshole and came to the parking lot. I was being a baby, I didn't want to drive far, so I stayed in the city. So here we are, waiting on Scuba Steve. Alright, I finally found Scuba Steve.
Dude, we got a f***ing fly fisherman over in the river. How f***ing wild is that?
He didn't waste no time. He loaded a pack. He's ready to go. And let's watch Scuba Steve fly right now. Scuba Steve absolutely murdered it. I don't know if I can keep up with that, but I'll try. Let's see. Security came by, told us we can't fly in Elitch's anymore. He was mad cool. Honestly, he could have told us not to fly the parking lot or any shit, so props to that security guy for supporting the FPV community. So we just finished up what you see behind me, Elitch's. We're gonna dive this building. Oh shit. Scoob, you ready for this shit?
Game.
See if Scoob's gonna go scuba diving today. right, we back. Today was mad cold. It was mad fun. We hit 2 up spots. What the fuck? We back. Today was mad fun. It was cold as shit. We flew 2 spots. Kinda got kicked out of 1. But what you think, Scoop? How was today?
Today was ill as shit.
And by the way, if you don't know already, my man runs one of the illest FPV freestyle packs in Denver. With like the new breed of FPV, yo. And matter of fact, I'm gonna let Scoop tell us what's up with the Pack Pushers.
Pack Pushers is a group of freestyle pilots that like to come together on the weekends, just fucking rip shit, have a good time. We ain't here to judge. We ain't here to judge you on your flying. Just badass fucking pilots. Badass crew that we get to run with on the weekends.
That's right. Every Sunday, somewhere, ripping. Scuba Steve and the motherfucking Pack Pushers. Thanks for watching AGL. See you next time.
We out.
We out.